Hello, I'm Aria. It's great to meet you. Welcome to the WEBXR Computer Lab application. Here, you can explore 3D models of computer hardware, try mini quizzes, and test your knowledge in the final test. Follow the material step by step. Each section includes a mini quiz to test your knowledge before unlocking the next one. Once you've finished all the topics, head to the Select Topic menu to take the final test and evaluate your overall understanding. After taking the final test, you can view your learning report in the Learning Report menu to see your achievements and progress. Oh, and don't forget, you can spin the 3D models around by hand to check out all the details. Happy learning and hope you have fun.
A monitor is the computer's display screen that functions as a visual window between the user and the computer system. This device displays all information, images, A keyboard is the main input device that allows users to enter text, numbers, and commands into the computer. Each key on the keyboard represents a specific character or function that is sent to the computer when pressed. Modern keyboards generally have 104 standard keys, including letters, number symbols, and special function keys. There are various types of keyboards available, from membrane keyboards that use a flexible layer and are more affordable, mechanical keyboards that provide better tactile response and durability, to wireless keyboards that use Bluetooth or a USB receiver. Some special keyboards are also equipped with backlighting or macro keys for gaming and productivity needs.